Howdy folks, and welcome back to the channel. Just a little channel update on what I've been up to lately. Been working on the kids' Jeep again. If you remember, we put that 4.5-inch lift on the front and the rear. But we had to change out the rocker panels because they were rotted out. And ended up having to patch in the inner rockers too because they were rotted out too. But what I did was I kind of blended in the A-pillar and the B, well, the A-pillar and the B-pillar and the rear quarter. Give it kind of a little smoother look to it, you know. Makes it look a little better than factory. Did that side, and I got this side done. But yeah, that's what I've been up to. It's been a long process. Next year we're going to be painting it. We were going to paint it this year, but the weather's starting to get cold, and I don't. If I'm going to do a color change, I don't want to be doing it when it's cold and having to deal with that. I'd rather have it done right. Plus, we got a ton of body work. I mean, this whole side of the Jeep's been shot with a paintball gun because it was parked at my middle son's house. My youngest son bought it off of him, but it was parked at his house, and I think they were using it for like something to hide behind when they were playing paintball. So this whole side got peppered pretty good. You see all the little dings and dents, all the doors and stuff got them too. So got to fix all that too. So that alone would make it take too long before the cold gets here. Anyways, that's what I've been up to. Does look much better. Gives it a much smoother look than the factory look, where the B-pillar and stuff is just sitting wide open and welded in. It just doesn't look that great. Now it looks kind of like it's all one piece. Gives it a better look. A lot more hours to do that, but that's worth it in the long run. Plus, it's ready for when we do the color change. It won't be so hard because all this body work's going to be done. The hard body work anyway. There's still a couple of spots that they're going to need some attention. Like there's a little rot hole, I think, back in here somewhere. Or no, back here. A little rot hole there we're going to have to patch and fix. Probably on the other side too. And lots of little spots like this, you know. That stuff's going to have to be taken care of. Lots of little stuff. But it's not, you know, nothing like putting rockers in. And patching the inners too. That was a chore and a half. Anyways, if you guys like this kind of content, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.